Hello, good evening friends. Dr. Sona here. As usual, I am here today live on my Instagram and on my Facebook. And today I'll be speaking on COVID lessons. So today is the COVID lesson 16. I think I'll be taking up these COVID lessons till about 20. So we'll be having 4 more lessons for 4 more days except for Saturday and Sunday. So COVID lesson 20, I think I'll finish it off there, and I'll have covered most of the teachings. Yeah, we can say that all the teachings that COVID has taught us while it is there as a pandemic all over the world, creating havoc. So hello, welcome. I'm Dr. Sona Kaushal Gupta. I'm a neuropsychologist. I'm based in Dehradun. So I'm live on my page, Dr. Sona Kaushal, and at 8 p.m. as usual, I take up COVID lessons, and all my COVID lessons, the archives of my previous COVID lessons, friends, they are on my Facebook page. So they are there on my Facebook page, and I hope you see them there, and I hope you like them while I just switch on my earphone. Just give me a second, friends, just a second please. Yes, so if you go to my YouTube page, it's Sona Kaushal Gupta. If you go there, you'll find all my archives of my 15 COVID lessons there. Go through them, please give me a feedback, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the videos if you like them. So COVID lesson, very important, COVID lesson 16 today. It's about we staying in a lockdown, we staying inside during the lockdown. We are thinking of so many things of our future. We are thinking of what follies we have made in the past. That is the queries I get. People are talking a lot of the mistakes they have made. Then they are thinking, planning their future, because they are saying that it's going to be a whole new world. सो बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाएगा कोविड के बाद, एकदम दुनिया और रहन सहन लोगों में बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. सो इट विल बी अ न्यू टाइप ऑफ लिविंग एंड अ न्यू वर्ल्ड. सो कोविड लेसन 16 teaches us that we should look within and find out the level of our self-esteem. It's very, very important to find out the level of our self-esteem, and self-esteem is my property. It's my internal property, and I should have my cup of self-esteem full. It's in my hands. So, and it's time that we pay attention to what self-esteem is, and self-esteem immediately leads us to self-confidence. So hello Dolly, hello Hanif. Dolly, I'll be taking up your query in a short while. I think you asked me about the uncertainty of life, right? So I'll just take that up in a minute's time. Let few more people join in. So friends, welcome. Self-esteem. So what is self-esteem, friends? It's something that COVID is teaching us. And first of all, before I go to my psychological aspect and learnings of COVID-19, just let me tell you a little bit about this wicked and this vicious and small virus which is there in the air. It's there all over the world, and and there's a pandemic all over. Welcome Priyanka, welcome. There's a pandemic all over the world. Now what is happening? Just 2 minutes, I always give that time to COVID-19 before I go to its lesson. It's this virus, it's so tiny, but it enters our respiratory tract and our through our mouth. Some say it enters through our eyes also. So it's a mucous membrane attachment virus. It enters our respiratory tract and it creates havoc there, and it creates it corrodes our mucous membrane of our respiratory tract and our mucosa, and it affects and it destroys our lungs. And that is known as ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, where the lungs are not, they don't inflate with the air, and we are not able to take in the air because the mucous membrane is all blocked up. So it's a very vicious, it's a very wicked, it's an enemy virus, but it is there in the air. And the good point about is that if we prevent getting infected by it, we stay safe. and the preventions are very, very important, as I always have been touching it. Wear gloves so that you don't get contaminate your hands, because you touch your mouth and your face and then they enter. So you touch the surfaces, and they're all over the surfaces. These are surface viruses. So whenever somebody who's infected by this virus, he coughs it out or sneezes it out, they settle down on the surfaces, and if our hands touch there, they get contaminated, and when we touch our mouth, that affects that we get infected. So we have to not touch our mouths. We have to wear gloves, and then we have to take away and change those gloves whenever we get back home. And we have to wear a mask. We have to wear a mask because we don't want to get infected by the virons in the air, because once they are coughed out, they stay in the air for a pretty long time. They say 1 to 2 hours, and one cough takes the virus up to about 2 meters. So social distancing, stay up 2 meters away from that place, from people, whoever. You never know who's infected, who's positive, who's a carrier, because there are asymptomatic carriers also around. Having said that, you're not to bother who's a carrier and who's infected. You just take your prevention. My COVID lessons are all about self improvement, self betterment. So self prevent yourself being infected by the virus. So wear this mask. Nothing is going to enter into your nostrils or your mouth if it's there. And if your hands, wash your hands and sanitize your hands frequently, so that even if they are contaminated, the virus gets off, so there's no harm. And of course, be in hygienic conditions, and whenever you go out less, because you'll meet people and again you may get infected. So whenever and if you go out, come back home, take a bath, change your clothes, put your clothes in a separate disinfectant soap and water, change your clothes, and that is the preventive part of it. Maintain a social distance of 2 meters at least, and improve your immunity. I've taken this thing on immunity, and be stress free and have a good sleep and good diet. These are all there in my previous videos, so please go back to the archives of my videos on my YouTube channel Sona Kaushal Gupta, and you'll find them there. And so this is something about the wicked virus, but which has come as a teacher to teach us to empower ourselves, to know our shortcomings and to empower ourselves. And today you have to empower yourself with self-esteem, with your self-esteem. Now self-esteem is something, it's something so important. It's my self-esteem is my property. My self-esteem makes or breaks me. Hello Neeraj ji, welcome. Hello Dr. Akhilesh, welcome. So my self-esteem makes or breaks me. In a few minutes, I'll touch a query from Dolly. She has asked me a very important question yesterday. She said, ma'am, just tell us about life and the uncertainty of life. I'll just take it up in a few minutes now. So, what is self-esteem, friends? What is self? आत्मसम्मान क्या होता है? ये आत्मसम्मान. आत्मसम्मान मतलब कि मैं अपनी नज़रों में अपने आप को कैसे देखता हूँ, मैं अपने आप को कितना परखता हूँ, मैं अपने में कितना खुश हूँ अपने आप से. Am I happy with myself? Do I love myself? मैं जो भी करता हूँ, मैं थोड़ी देर बाद अगर सोचता हूँ, अरे बाप रे मैंने ऐसे क्यों किया, ओह माय गॉड ये मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था, अरे मेरे से तो गलती हो जाती है, या अरे उसने मुझे ऐसे क्यों कहा. इफ आई गेट हर्ट इफ समबडी टेल्स मी समथिंग, ऐसे क्यों कहा उसने मुझे, और मेरे को ही सब कहते हैं, इट्स हैपेंस विद मी ओनली, एंड व्हाई इज ही सो रूड टू मी, एंड आई एम गुड बट पीपल आर बैड. These sort of thoughts in your mind shows that your cup of self-esteem is very it's not full, it's very empty. So self-esteem is very fragile, it's very delicate, your self-esteem, if you get hurt. And this is so common, people are getting hurt so often. So, and everybody gets hurt. I mean, nobody is immune to not getting hurt. Even people like us who are counselors, we also go through our ups and downs, and we get hurt at time. In fact, today only I got a bit angry with my son, and I said, why are you speaking to me so loudly or so rudely? So this is immediately at that point of time, my self-esteem is low. But then if I'm aware and I come to know of it, it's okay, it doesn't hurt me. Maybe he's tired, he's irritated, he's angry, it doesn't matter. That is recovering. That is empowerment, and that is what we all have to do and teach it to our children. We have to recover, we have to be in high self-esteem, always, all the time, 24/7, try to be that, which is not possible. And whenever you're not, whenever you're hurt, or whenever you're angry, or whenever you're irritated, remember something is missing here. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस चिल्ड्रन, सेल्फ एस्टीम बनती कैसे है? सेल्फ एस्टीम हमारी ऐसे बनती है बचपन से, right from our childhood, and it's all to do with our childhood. Our life is our childhood memories and our childhood upbringing. So childhood से हमारे को जो स्टोरी बिल्डअप करी है हमने अपने माइंड में अपने बारे में, like somebody has told us, oh you're so smart, oh you're so handsome, oh you're so good, you're a topper, you always win. Such people, if they face defeat or failure, they go into low self esteem. They cannot take it. कहते हैं बड़े इमोशनल है, बड़े सेंसिटिव है. It's not something very good to be very sensitive or emotional. You can be empathetic, you are aware of the other person's problem, but sensitive in the sense कि बहुत जल्दी जी रो पड़ते हैं, बहुत hurt हो जाते हैं. You have to build up your self esteem then. Nobody is there allowed to enter you and erode your self esteem. You do it yourself. दूसरा बाहर से चाहे कुछ कह दे, कुछ बोल दे, कुछ कर ले, आपकी सेल्फ एस्टीम पे असर नहीं पड़ता. हमारी सेल्फ एस्टीम पे असर तभी पड़ता है जब हम उसे पढ़ने देते हैं, जब हम अपनी ईगो में होते हैं, हम अपने आई को ऊपर रखते हैं. एंड इफ दैट आई, दैट लेबल ऑफ डॉक्टर सोना, इफ दैट लेबल इज हर्ट, इफ आई फील ओ रे मेरे को ऐसे बोला, दैट इज लो सेल्फ एस्टीम. सो डोंट बी इन दैट, बिकॉज उस समय ये सोचना है कि दूसरे ने जो बोला, दैट वॉज हिज परसेप्शन, हिज दैट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दिस इज वॉट ही वॉज थिंकिंग. फाइन, यू लेट दैट वर्ड्स कम हियर, वट एवर दे हैव सेड, एंड फिल्टर इट. जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, टेक इट इन. जो आपको अपने में इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी है, हाँ ठीक बोला, ही इज राइट इन द सेंस कि हाँ मेरी राइटिंग है तो थोड़ी खराब, सो टेक दैट पार्ट इन. तो जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, टेक दैट पार्ट इन, फिल्टर आउट द रेस्ट लाइक अ फिल्टर ऑफ व्हेन यू फिल्टर योर टी. So keep always be a filter there in front of your mind. Take in the good things to improve yourself. It's all about self improvement. तो कोविड-19 हमें यही सिखा के गया. आज जब हम सब घरों में बंद हैं, हम छोटी छोटी बातों पे एक दूसरे से नाराज हो रहे हैं. उसने मुझे ऐसे कह दिया, उसने मेरी ये चीज़ ले ली, उसने मेरे को ये बोल दिया. क्योंकि हम इरिटेटेड है, हमें आदत नहीं है एक दूसरे के साथ रहने की. तो जो एक्सेप्टेंस है दूसरे के लिए या सिचुएशंस या पीपल की, दैट हैज़ कम डाउन लो, एंड माई सेल्फ एस्टीम इज़ वेरी लो, एंड आई एम स्केयर्ड बिकॉज नेगेटिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा है दिमाग के अंदर. हमें फियर है, स्केयर है, एंग्जाइटी है. दीज आर द टॉपिक्स आई हैव टेकन अप ऑन माई लास्ट टर्न्स. So that is eroding my self-esteem, and I am not very happy with what is happening to me. And at times I blame it on my destiny, on my karma, on people, on the country, on the government. हम blame game खेलते हैं. Doesn't make a difference. आप कुछ भी blame game खेलिए, blame, complain, criticize, all that you do. It's not going to make any difference, because situations and people will change according to when they will change. When they think it is appropriate for them to change, they'll change. What is in your control? Two things in my control, not in my control. So what is in my control, अगर आप उसको जानेंगे और उस पे काम करेंगे, definitely you will do much better in your life. You'll be a happier person. So what is in your control? In your control is to be happy with whatever you have, whatever you're doing, whatever is going on in you, about what is happening outside. Be happy with that in the now, in the present moment. But that again does not mean that you don't have to improve. So if you want to improve yourself and you feel कि नहीं इस चीज़ में ऐसे होना चाहिए था, I should do it like this, so improve. So you should always try to make yourself better than what you were before. So comparison है भी तो अपने से है, तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए, किसी से नहीं होना चाहिए comparison is negative. Comparison, complaining, blaming, these are all negative things. I'll take that up also in one of my topics in the 4 turns left. So comparisons is low self esteem. मतलब वो अच्छा है, मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, या उल्टा भी हो सकता है, oh I am so great, super, और उसको तो कुछ नहीं आता. That is again that is ego, super ego. So self esteem एक बहुत पतली सी लाइन है. सेल्फ एस्टीम से कब हम ईगो में चले जाते हैं पता नहीं. सेल्फ एस्टीम इज गुड, सेल्फ एस्टीम इज इम्प्रूव इट, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव स्किल, पॉजिटिव क्वालिटी ऑफ योर्स. मीन्स आई एम गुड एंड आई लाइक माई सेल्फ, बट आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर चेंज एंड टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्कमस्टांसेस. सो डोंट हैव अ फ्रेजाइल सेल्फ एस्टीम, डोंट बी हर्ट. अगर किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, बच्चे सुन नहीं रहे, बच्चों ने जवाब दे दिया, या बॉस ने कुछ कह दिया आपको, एंड immediately you get hurt, and then you start, because when you're hurt, you go low and it reflects on your outer relations, and you scream back and shout back, or irritated or frustrated, and it affects your whole atmosphere of your house. So be in high self-esteem, think good of yourself, appreciate yourself, love yourself, never ever blame yourself. Even if you feel that yesterday what I did was not correct, yesterday I screamed at someone, yesterday I did this, don't blame yourself. अपने को कभी भी दोष नहीं देना. You have to tell yourself it's okay. उस समय मुझे ऐसे ही लगा, but today I feel that I will be a better person than what I was before, and I'll try to do it better. I hope I'm audible and I'm clear to what I'm saying. So if I'm clear, just give me a thumbs up, someone, if I'm audible and I'm visible. Right. So having said that, friends, so we have to keep our self-esteem high. And is Dolly there? Is Dolly there? Because I had to speak to her about, she spoke to me about uncertainty of life, and I promised that I'd give her a reply. So I think even if she's there, or I'm not able to see the replies, I will tell you about life. Life is a gift to us, as you all know. Life is a gift. It's the most beautiful gift. मेरी सबसे बड़ी possession is my life, and I have to protect, and I have to love myself, and I have to be alive. I try to be alive, healthy and happy, because life is my biggest precious property, gift. If that is taken away, I'm no more alive, then there's nothing to think about. So life is something which is so precious. Dolly, hello. So just listen to me. So life is something which is so precious. It's my life, and I should take full care of it. My psychological aspect, my mental aspect, my emotional aspect, and my physical aspect of my life should be taken care of. Having said that, Dolly, let me tell you, friends, that there is what a saying, and what I believe is that even as a doctor, when we treat our patients, and we are supposing I'm a very good surgeon, and I'm operating on my patient, and I've done my best, and I've given him the best of medicines and the instrument and my expertise, the best of it. Lekin after doing the operation, I always come out as a doctor, and most of us do that, and we say कि हमने अपना best किया है, और बाकी God is there. So God is there. There is something which is supernatural. So what I want to tell you is that how much I live, how much I'm talking of myself, how much I have to live is not known to me or to anyone. This is the biggest mystery of our life. We don't know how long we are going to be alive. So how much I live is not in my hand. But how I live that life is completely in my hands. So I can live my life happily, or I can live it unhappily or sadly. तो choice is mine. मैं stress में जी सकता हूँ, या मैं happily जी सकता हूँ. वो choice totally 100% is mine. It's not there on depending on people, on circumstances, or on COVID or anything, nothing. How I live my life is in my hands, but how much I have to live, I try to do my best to live a healthy life. I'll eat well, I'll protect myself from invention, I'll prevent diseases, I'll build up my immunity, I'll be happy, I'll do everything to live a happy life. But again, I said, the best possible thing is live your life happily. That's totally in your control. Do what is in your control. But how much I have to live, let's not dwell on that, because that is a mystery and none of us know it. So that is the uncertainty of life. And today, there are so many things which are uncertain today, and they were there before also. There are earthquakes, there are wars, there are international conflicts, there is poverty, there is infections, there is, you name it, there is everything. So that is one side of the coin. And the other side of the coin is there is goodness, there is bliss, there is happiness, there is life which is so beautiful, there is beauty. Huh? When we are giving, we are happy. We are happy people when we are giving. So that is the other side of it. So ये मेरी choice है कि in this uncertain life, in this VUCA world of uncertainty, how I live my life is totally in my hands. And that is the COVID lessons which I had taken up. I hope, Dolly, it was clear to you. And that is the COVID lessons which I had taken up. Welcome, Mr. Singh. That is the COVID lessons which I had taken up. That live a life of happiness, live a life of self-esteem, live a life of humility, humbleness, happiness, healthy life with immunity. That is something in your control. And the virus, the vaccines, the treatment will come when they will come. People are working on it. So it's an uncertain world. It's an uncertain time. Things will happen when they will happen. Those things are not in my control. I just have to accept what is happening, take my precautions, have a belief system and your belief systems are so very important. So if you live with a belief system that I am doing my best and whatever will happen shall be the best, what has happened, Gita ka gyan, what has happened has taught me a lesson, whatever it was, how bad it was, it taught me a lesson. What is happening is good enough and what will happen is going to be beautiful. If you have that belief system and you move on in life, you'll be a happy person. So I think that was a bit of the two things I've taken up, self-esteem and the uncertainty of life. Dolly, I hope I have answered your query. If you still have any questions, you can put it in the comment box, or you can direct message me, or you can send me on my WhatsApp on this number. I'll put it there on the comment, or email to me. I'll be there with you all. So I'm a neuropsychologist and I'm in Dehradun. So I'm always ready to help you all. If you have any questions pertaining to your mental health, emotional health, or that of yours or your relatives or your children. So there are some queries today which had come to me on my messenger, and I get many queries on my messenger rather than getting them direct here, which is very good. So thank you, Dr. Santosh. Thank you. Hello, Rita. So what I want to tell you today, this query which I have got today from this very good friend of mine, her name by the way is also Santosh. She's from Ghaziabad. She has said, ma'am, tell me that if you said that stress is bad for your health, right? Stress, like yesterday I had spoken about stress. So she said if stress is bad and stress is all of the negative things and all, so is there no way that stress can be good? I think I should have mentioned that also. Actually, what I feel as a doctor is that stress is a word which is negative. Stress is something which should not be there. Like, on a metal, if the stress is equal to the pressure, the P upon R, the pressure upon the resistance of the metal. So resistance is iron has more resistance than glass, and pressure is the hammer with which we hit the iron, supposing. So in life, what I believe is that the pressures are going to increase there is resistance in metals, and as I said in my last class, there is resilience in humans. So resilience is my inner strength, and self-esteem is a component of my resilience, how I'm able to cope up with my situations, with my stress. So if the pressures in the world are going to increase day by day, as you know, there's going to be more expensive, there's going to be more problems in life, education problems, children problems, you'll be married, or if you're married, your children are going to grow up, etc., etc. But at the same time, the denominator, the R. So हम लोग जो करते हैं, we are all working on, trying to finish off those pressures, trying to compromise on those pressures, or trying to, work on those pressures. We'll buy things, we'll hoard things, we'll collect money so that problem आएगी तो we'll have things with us. तो प्रेशर्स को रोकना या कंट्रोल करना हमारे काम में नहीं है. दे विल इंक्रीज. आज 2 हैं या 4 हैं तो कल 5 आएंगे ही. प्रॉब्लम्स लाइफ में आएंगी, बढ़ेंगी. लेट्स टेक दैट. बट टू कोप अप विद दोज प्रॉब्लम्स, the denominator P upon R, we have to build up our inner self-esteem, our resilience, our coping ability, how we are able to find solutions to our problems. That is our resilience. So P upon R, अगर P बढ़ा 4 हो गया, पहले 2 था 4 हो गया, और resilience मेरा 2 ही है, मैं जैसे थी बचपन से वैसे ही हूँ, तो मेरा जो स्ट्रेस इज इक्वल टू P अपॉन, मेरी स्ट्रेस बढ़ती जाएगी. 4 upon 2 है तो 2 है स्ट्रेस। कल प्रेशर्स ज़्यादा आ गया, आई लॉस्ट माई जॉब और माई पे हैज़ बीन कट, जैसे सैलरीज कट हो रही है, तो प्रेशर्स अगर 8 हो गए एंड माई रेजिलियंस इज द सेम, आई एम नॉट इम्प्रूविंग, आई एम नॉट एम्पावरिंग माई सेल्फ, आई एम जस्ट द वे आई एम। if I stay that way, तो 8/2 means 4, तो मेरा स्ट्रेस लेवल 4 हो गई, तो माई स्ट्रेस लेवल विल कीप ऑन बिल्डिंग। सो संतोष, व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू इज कि अगर अपने प्रेशर्स के ऊपर से उनको, ठीक है देखो जितना भी कर सकते हो, हम उनको नहीं रोक सकते, लेकिन साथ साथ जो मेरी ये लेसन्स थे एम्पावरमेंट के, गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ देम प्लीज ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल। सो इफ यू कीप एम्पावरिंग योर सेल्फ एंड इफ यू इंक्रीज योर resilience and your inner strength, you will be able to cope up with the pressures and you will not be in stress. So stress I feel is something which is negative, which is bad, but initial जो stress होती है, कहते हैं they define it as eustress. eustress होती है गुड स्ट्रेस, मोटिवेशन होती है, कहते हैं जो शुरू शुरू में थोड़ा सी वो होती है ना, डर भय चिंता, एग्जाम है ये करना है, तो उसको स्ट्रेस बोल दो, यू स्ट्रेस बोल दो, या उसको मोटिवेशन या इंस्पिरेशन बोल दो, वो जो बढ़ाने का काम करती है वो यू स्ट्रेस है, दैट इज गुड। लेकिन अगर वो ग्राफ देखो, अगर वो बढ़ती जाए यू स्ट्रेस और हो गई, और तो हम एक पीक पे पहुंच जाते हैं, फिर हम नीचे गिरते हैं, दैट इज डिस्ट्रेस। तो हमें डिस्ट्रेस पे नहीं जाना है, DISTRES, वी डोंट हैव टू बी इन डिस्ट्रेस। हमें अपनी रेजिलियंस बढ़ाते जाना है ताकि प्रेशर्स को कोप करते पाए, हमें डिस्ट्रेस पे नहीं जाना है, हमें हमेशा हैप्पी रहना है, यू स्ट्रेस में रहना है, मोटिवेटेड रहना है, वर्क करना है। सो लेट अस, दैट वाज, आई होप आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन। सो वो शुरू वाली यू स्ट्रेस होती है, लेकिन उसको डिस्ट्रेस नहीं बनना देना है, डी स्ट्रेस करना है, DE स्ट्रेस करना है। सो डी स्ट्रेस करने के मेथड्स आई बीन टेकिंग अप ऑल द टाइम लॉन्ग। मी टाइम निकालो थोड़ा सा, दिस वॉज बाय अरविंद सेड मैम डी स्ट्रेस कैसे करें, अरविंद फ्रॉम गाजियाबाद। अरविंद, डी स्ट्रेस करने के लिए थोड़ा मी टाइम निकालो जरूर, take out half an hour, like this is my me time, this half an hour with you all people is my catharsis, this is my de-stressor, DE stressor. This motivates me, empowers me, this makes me a better person because I learn when I teach. So find out some me time for whatever you like to do, sing or talk or write poetry or do whatever you want to do. उस me time के साथ साथ अपनी positive thoughts रखो, अपने साथ बात करते रहो, से आई एम डूइंग गुड, वट एवर हैज हैपेंड, बी इन द नाउ एंड हैव अ बिलीफ सिस्टम विच इज गुड, दैट सब कुछ बढ़िया होगा। विजुअलाइजेशन फ्यूचर की अच्छी करो, अपने स्किल्स बढ़ाते रहो, एक्सरसाइज जरूर करो, हाफ एन आवर्स वॉक करो, या थोड़ा सा घर के काम में बिजी रहो, दैट sort of keeps your body going fit and fine. And sleep well, 7 hours of sleep in the night is very important, that is a big de-stressor. And eat healthy food, no junk food, and lots of water. So friends, my talk on high self-esteem, let's be in self-esteem, not in ego. We're not going to be hurt, never be hurt with whatever anybody tells you, even if somebody says you're an idiot, just let it go, because that was his, that was his point of view, he was irritated at that time, so whatever he had inside him came out. So you don't let yourself be hurt by it, but take precautions, like you don't want to be called an idiot all the time by him. So next time if you feel that, again some people are that way, who try to be rude or something because of their own problems, so you take your precautions, be strong and resilient inside, don't let it bother you, or change your direction so that you avoid them. So the choice of how you solve your problems is always your own. So I'm Dr. Sona, I think I'll sign off here, and you can please contact me, write to me. Hello friends, welcome everyone, and if you have any queries, write to me. So Dolly, it's an uncertain life, it's an uncertain world, but we are certain that we are going to live it happily, and we are going to be stress free while we live it. So signing off, Dr. Sona here. I'll meet you again tomorrow 8 p.m. here sharp, and I'll speak on something very, very important, COVID lesson number 70. Good night.